need to talk about the subjunctive, le subjonctif. There is a very important sentence in French, il faut, and it is used with the subjunctif coming up. Hello, my friend, my name is Claire, and I am here to teach you French with a smile. So, the first sentence is, I need to brush my teeth. I have to brush my teeth. I must brush my teeth. So all of these ideas of obligation, something is mandatory, whether it comes from us or whether it is an external obligation, we translate that in French with il faut que. And when you have que, you need to think, okay, que, it means subjonctif. Okay, I need to brush my teeth. Il faut que je me brosse les dents. Encore une fois, il faut que je me brosse les dents. Ensemble, il faut que je me brosse les dents. Excellent. Now let's try a sentence with tu using il faut and the subjunctive. You need to learn French. Il faut que tu apprennes le français. Encore une fois, il faut que tu apprennes le français. Ensemble, il faut que tu apprennes le français. Excellent. Now, somebody has been sitting all day long for far too long, and we think that that person has to do a little bit of exercise to move things around. He needs to exercise. Il faut qu'il fasse du sport. Encore une fois, il faut qu'il fasse du sport. Ensemble, il faut qu'il fasse du sport. Yes! Now, we need to cook and there's nothing in the kitchen. So we are going to go to the market. We need to go to the market. Il faut que nous allions au marché. Encore une fois, il faut que nous allions au marché. Ensemble, il faut que nous allions au marché. Very good. Now, there's a meeting coming up with lots of people and you have something very important to say. You are my work colleague, so I'm using vous. And I really want you to speak out during the meeting and to say the things you have to say. So you need to speak during the meeting. Il faut que vous parliez pendant la réunion. Encore une fois, il faut que vous parliez pendant la réunion. Ensemble, il faut que vous parliez pendant la réunion. Yes, the last sentence is with il, they. So they are in front of two options and they need to make up their mind. They have to make a decision. Il faut qu'ils prennent une décision. Ensemble, il faut qu'ils prennent une décision. Encore une fois, il faut qu'ils prennent une décision. You did it! Very good! My friend, I'm available for one-to-one lessons. Link is below. And see you very soon. Bye-bye!